Welcome, R&D Lee here, bringing you an update about a few of my favorite things that we got going on here at Adam. So the big news in the last couple months is that we've released our B18DX. It definitely tops my list in terms of favorite things. And my favorite things about the B18DX are, well, first off, it's a 2-in-1. So we got not only the all-terrain wheels that come on it, but we also have some street wheels in case that's your thing, you're looking for a little more efficiency. And second thing is that we have multiple wheel pulleys, so you get multiple gear ratios, 4 different gear ratios that you can play around with. So that's like a full-on kind of like getting into the DIY thing. If that's your thing, then this is going to work well for you. And then the final thing is just the fact that it's a dual motor, big battery board that can do everything that you want to do. Climb the hills, get your range, all that type of stuff. So, like I said, tops my list of my favorite things here at Adam at the moment. But, of course, you know, it does come with a price tag. So if that price tag doesn't quite work for you, well, 2 things. One, we do have some Black Friday specials happening this coming week. So if you're watching this video at the right time, then make sure you take advantage of that. The other thing, if it still doesn't quite meet your budget, then we have a board down from that that's a single motor, little smaller battery, B10X, and that board's still sick. It's going to get you off-road. It's going to basically do most of the things that you want to do if your budget just doesn't quite get you up to the B18DX. And of course, you know, one of my favorite things, still at Adam, we do a ton of normal longboards, so non-electric. So don't forget about that. I mean, electrics are great, but if you want to get out and actually get some exercise, now I'm kind of getting back into riding normal boards, just having a good push. So we got some great deals on that for Black Friday as well. And if you're looking to kind of spice things up, you have a normal longboard, and you know, this is kind of like going down in terms of a price range, but you just want to spice things up, throw a set of these all-terrain longboard wheels on it. So basically, we call them our all-terrain longboard wheels, but what we're seeing, these things are blowing up right now for skating. So kids just doing all types of crazy stuff. So yeah, you got a skateboard, you got a longboard, make sure you check these out. And we got some deals on those as well. So that's great. You know, if you don't already own some of our stuff, take advantage of the Black Friday deals because they're pretty special. This one, $200 off this board. That's not like a little, hey, 10% deal. That's a big deal. So if you've been thinking about getting this one, make sure you take advantage of that. If you do already own our stuff, then Adam Owners, hashtag, use it. Let us know what you're doing. Be like our friends in Japan that are constantly sending us stuff, letting us know what they're up to, and it's awesome content. We love to see it, and we love to repost it and share it with the rest of the community because it's just the whole thing. It's all about inspiration, and you guys are basically what inspires us. And while you're doing that, leaving comments, like and subscribe, and all that type of stuff, make sure you let us know what you want to see next, okay? Because that's how we've gotten to where we are now, is by listening to you guys. And some of the things that we've heard that we're kind of toying with for next year, make sure you let us know if we're on the right track. But you're loving the all-terrain, we're loving the all-terrain, we want to take that to the next level, maybe do some pneumatics. What do you guys think of that? Let us know, comment. Apart from that, yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure you take advantage of the Black Friday deals. Like, subscribe, Adam Owners, hashtag. Those are the updates for Black Friday. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.